What's popping, y'all? It's your girl Fiance, and I am back with another video. Today I am in my kitchen, which means that I am going to be making a cooking video. So as you know, I just had another baby, so with having another kid around who's smaller and less dependent than my 1-year-old, I have to make quicker, faster meals and stuff like that. But today me and my little helper will be showing you how to make a vegan hamburger roll-ups. It's like a hamburger. You gonna see, okay? You gonna see. It's gonna be delicious. We're gonna have a good time. But okay, guys. First things first, we're going to start off coating the bottom of the pan with some extra virgin olive oil. I start off most of my vegan meals like this, and it just, works for me. Next, we're going to take some garlic, which is optional, but I like to start off most of my meals like this. Just because I just, like the flavor. It adds a little bit more pizzazz, I guess. Next, we're going to add 1 whole onion. You can use half an onion or whatever you're comfortable with. I'm using it like this because my husband doesn't really like a huge onion flavor, so it's better to cook them down. And also, my baby has been going through a weird thing where he just likes to eat raw onions, so I'm cooking it so then it makes me feel better about what he's eating. Next, we're going to take some Morningstar veggie crumble grillers. I don't know what to call them. And this is the value pack, but I'm going to add a value pack and then a smaller pack because I have men in this house, okay? They like to eat a lot. Next, we're going to add some coconut milk, and I had a light one in my cabinet. I just always have coconut milk in a can at my house. So this is what I used. You can use any non-dairy milk that you feel comfortable with, but this is just what I happen to use. And we're going to use this for the base of the cheese so then it has something to melt with. So here we're just taking some Daya mozzarella cheese shreds. If you watched my last cooking video, you know that I swear by this. It's like one of the best melting cheeses. Now I'm going to be trying Violife today. I've heard like kind of bad reviews about it, but they said that it melts really well. Also, I'll be adding seasonings to this, so I don't think it'll really matter in the long run. But like I said, they said it melts really well, and that's what I'm looking for. So basically, you're just going to stir this all around. Make sure you mix in the coconut milk and the cheese really, really well until you get like a creamy consistency, basically. So right here, I'm showing you the assembly. This is what it looked like after the cheese melted inside of there. It's still really, really warm, but I'm putting it on a flour tortilla. I ended up adding some salt, pepper, garlic powder, and some dried chives. And I think it just, when I tasted it, it was really, really good. Like, I promise you guys, this is one of those meals you won't feel like you're missing anything. This is me assembling my husband's plate. I know that it's honey mustard, which is not vegan, but he does not like regular mustard, so this is what I used for him instead. But you use yellow mustard, Dijon, whatever. Then I add some ketchup. Altogether, this looks really, really weird, and I admit that, but I promise you guys, when you have this, it is bomb. Next, add some pickles. You can add as many or as little pickles as you want, but for this tortilla size, I think this works. So once you get all of those assembled, you're going to add some tomatoes, as many or as little as you want. I kind of overstuffed this one to where the things were like falling out, but that's usually how my husband likes his burgers and things like that. Now we're going to add some fresh cut up lettuce, and this just adds, a crunch to everything along with the pickles and things. So this is me showing you what it looks like all assembled on my baby's plate. He had some leftover tomatoes on his plate from earlier, but yes, guys, I think it maybe doesn't look the best, but I promise you when you have it, you will fall in love. Alright y'all, so that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just a quick, simple recipe. It's not the healthiest vegan meal, but it gets the job done. But alright guys, I will talk to you later. Say bye. Say bye-bye. He has food on his face. Say bye, baby. Okay.